Class of Biology 2020-21, and in the last videos we were studying about chapter 6 life processes, and I have already explained you about the portions that are going to come for your pre-midterm exam, that is life processes. Okay, that chapter from that chapter all these portions will be coming, and then nutrition. Okay, autotrophic nutrition, then what else, heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, nutrition in amoeba, nutrition in human being. Okay, then next topic is respiration. In that you have studied about aerobic, anaerobic respiration, isn't it? Then we have studied about the glycolysis. Okay, and then we have studied about the respiration in organisms, animals. Okay, and the respiratory system of human being. So all these portions we completed. So that much will be there for your examination. Okay, so this much will be there for your examinations, and you will have to prepare for your exams. It will be multiple choice questions, so thoroughly you go through the NCERT book and the videos. Okay, so any questions can be asked. In the last videos we have studied about excretion. Okay, we have started with the excretion in human being, and in that we have studied about the excretory system of human being, isn't it? So I have told you the human respiratory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and a urethra, isn't it? And we have studied the kidneys help in the removal of waste materials from the body. Okay, or it helps in the production of urine, it helps in osmoregulation, etc. We have studied all this, isn't it? And ureters, they collect the urine from kidney and it will be sent to the urinary bladder, and urethra is the passage through which the urine goes out from the body. So this much we have studied. And kidneys function is what? To filter the waste material. So for achieving this there are number of filtering units. Okay, thin slender filtering units are there. This filtering units is known as nephron. Okay, what is it? They are known as nephrons. Okay, you can see here these are the structure of what? Nephrons. Here can you see nephron? And this nephrons, okay, they help in filtering the waste materials from the blood. So let's study the parts of the nephron today. Okay, you can see a cup shaped structure. Okay, here this part. Okay, you can see a cup shaped structure. That cup shaped structure is known as Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule. Okay, and the other part that is extending from the Bowman's capsule to the other part of the to the other side is known as the tubular part of the nephron. Tubular part of the nephron. Okay, so Bowman's capsule and tubular part of the nephron. You understood? Okay, now into the nephron you can see the renal artery enters and it branches and form a tuft of blood or a group of blood capillaries. This part is known as the glomerulus. What is it? The glomerulus. Okay, so glomerulus will be formed here. Now glomerulus, again it will join and form the renal artery, or it will exit the Bowman capsule and it will surround the tubular part of the nephron and joins again and form the branch of renal vein. So from different different types of nephrons are there. From different nephrons all this renal veins branches, they join to form the renal vein. Okay, so this is what the tubular part of the nephron. Now each nephron will the tubular part open into a collecting duct. Okay, collecting duct. You can see here. Okay, another one will be joining here. Okay, so in different parts, the nephrons, different nephrons will join to the what? Collecting duct. Okay, so these are the parts of what? Nephron. So what is nephron? Nephrons are what? The filtering units which are found in the kidney. Okay, there are many thousands or millions of nephrons are there in the kidney. Okay, each of them will help in the filtering of blood and to separate the urine and other waste materials, urea, uric acid, etc., and it will result in the formation of urine. Okay, so this urine will be collected to this collecting tube, and this from this collecting tube of many nephrons open into a common collecting duct, and this collecting ducts open into the kidney's kidney. Okay, so from the kidney it will be taken to the urinary bladder by the ureters. So I hope everyone understood the structure of a nephron. Nephron is the filtering units. You can see here Bowman's capsule. Okay, then and the tubular part. This is the tubular part of the nephron. Okay, and then renal artery. Okay, and renal artery branches forms a tuft of or a group of small blood capillaries known as glomerulus, and then again they will exit the Bowman capsule and covers the tubular part of the nephron. Okay, and it forms later the renal vein. Okay, branch of renal vein, and they combine to form the branch of renal vein from different nephrons. They join and form the renal vein. Okay, and so these are the parts of the nephron. In the next video we will study about the process of urine formation. Is it clear to everyone? Let's discuss some questions. Okay, so first question is, plants store food materials. Okay, the not used materials in the form of dash. The plants store the food materials in the form of dash. Options I will say. First option starch, second glucose, third cellulose, fourth glycogen. Okay, so question you understood. The plants store the food materials. Okay, how they store the food materials? Options are what? Starch, glucose, cellulose, glycogen. So what is the answer? You pause the video and try to find out your answer. Okay, that is starch. Plants store the food materials in the form of what? Starch. The gas released by plants during respiration. Question you understood? The gas plants release during respiration. Okay, or the byproduct of respiration in plants. Option number 1, oxygen, second carbon dioxide, third nitrogen, fourth helium. So what will be the answer? Answer will be carbon dioxide itself, isn't it? Because the plants also respire. During respiration, the plants release what? Carbon dioxide. The secretion of liver is, first option, salivary amylase, second bile juice, third pancreatic juice, fourth pepsin. Question is what? The secretion of liver is called dash. What is the secretion of liver? What is it? It will be bile juice, isn't it? So go through the portions very thoroughly so that you can get the answers.